Hello friends, welcome to Shivani Tutorials. Today I will show you a super easy method of measuring and cutting 6-panel petticoat. Here I have 1 meter fabric here and another 1 meter in fold. Put the first fold aside and separate the waist strip. Gently mark 6 inches from this side and 6 inches from the bottom side. Now join the measure marks with chalk and cut the waist strip. Make sure you mark 6 inches on both the sides for cutting waist strip. Here we have our waist strip ready. Cut the cloth in length for 1 inches and pull it off for the waist lace. Here we have the lace ready. Now double fold the cloth and then give one more fold. Make sure you fold the cloth evenly. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to tell you how to cut 6-panel petticoat. We will mark 5.5 inches for the waist from the closed fold side, and from the open side we will mark 5 inches. Now this one is thin strip and this one is thick strip. This is 5.5 and that one is 5 inches. We will join both the points. So we have joined the points with the help of chalk. Now we have bottom circles on the both sides. We have 11 inches for this side and 10.5 inches for another side. As you can see, we have attached 5 inches and 5.5 inches marked together. And now we will cut it out. So that was the drawing for 6-panel petticoat, and now I will show you how to cut it out. Cut the cloth from the closed side. To have the fine panel look, we will cut half inches from the bottom side. Now we have our 4-panel ready. Here also we will cut the cloth from the closed side. And to have the fine panel look, we will cut the half inches from the bottom side. Now we have 2 portions of thick strip. Here we have our 4 thin strips. Let me show you how we will attach. Hold it from the waist side and join it together for half inches and stitch it accordingly. Similarly, join one strip to this side. This is how our 6-panel petticoat cutting is done. Cutting this way will give you the fine panel look and length too. So that was the video for 6-panel petticoat cutting. Today, I will show you a super easy method of measuring and cutting 4-panel petticoat. It is very simple and easy. Here I have 2 meter fabric. Open the folds and you have 2 folds on each side. First of all, we will separate waist strip. Gently keep the fabric till 3 inches. So we have 2 folds here and we have taken 3 inches for both the folds. As you can see, it's 3 inches. Make sure you mark proper 3 inches on the entire strip and separate the waist strip. Mark the straight line with the help of chalk. I am taking out the waist strip of 4-panel petticoat. Here you have the waist strip separated. This way, we will give 2 folds. After 2 folds, we will give it 4 folds. Our waist strip is done. Now, at the edge, we will mark 1 inches for the frill. See? This way, we will separate the 1 inches strip for the frill. Frill is ready. Our waist strip and frill is separated. Give 2 folds to this 2 meter fabric. Put the fabric on the flat surface. Make sure you have equal 2 folds of the fabric. Now, I will show you the drawing of 4-panel petticoat. It's very easy, simple, and anyone can stitch this petticoat after watching my video. Mark 10 inches for waist from this side. Earlier we marked 10 inches from the downward corner side. Now we will mark 10 inches from the upper and opposite corner side. See, we mark the chalk on 10 inches from this corner. Join both the points in sideways. We have 22 inches for bottom circle, and this side also we have 22 inches for bottom circle. As you can see, we mark 10 inches on both the opposite side and then join both the points in sideways. Drawing for 4-panel petticoat is done. Now I will cut it out as per the marking. I am cutting the fabric on the line. Cut and open the fold of the fabric from the bottom circle side. Also, cut and open the fold of the fabric from the waist side. Cutting of 4-panel petticoat is done. Here we have 2 folds and here also we have 2 folds. In total we have 4 panels. Now I will show you how to join these cuttings. This is the method of stitching the petticoat. We will join one sideway and one straight fabric together. This way, we will take one sideway and one straight fabric. Mark ½ inches for the sewing and stitching it with the help of sewing machine. So friends, the way we have joined 2 panels, similarly we will join the another 2 panels. One straight and one sideway cutting fabric. This way, join them, and now I'll stitch this petticoat and will show it to you. After sewing this, we will mark the round shape and we will cut out the extra fabric. So that was the video for 4-panel petticoat cutting. So friends, if you like my video, then do like, share and comment. Thank you very much for watching, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel.